Jamosala Loki. A destiny back we know because we December last year, or should be 2 years now. Yeah. Rest away a show. So mana go the table, mana in Nigeria. Mana attend the show in Nigeria. So after the show, you know we do me always have a Facebook with you if you want to normal you I mind me on 7 only so turn you got try you only more like we go turn here for long. So you are trying to okay on my daily lay ubogena do tea after the show. Now we take on turn now we got work out time Facebook if you want the a webo. You know, we talking lately. Another time or we go no him another agree 7 million. On our 8, in our 8 million yeah. It then at the end, on Manado is 7, but on our nika paying 5. You know we know he has certainly 5 in there. He had 4 million. You know he had 4 million. So at the end, now do 4 million. Now to send the gear. So now time or we June, which is summer last year. Yeah, we told a musician, fine, now send the again, now we problem hero. So at the end, on our guitar, on our not telling could not complete or tell at first, or we am a meet complete or then only did we are here, or not the we are here. Up to now, Maggie here, anything. It is the boy with Martina, the boy with next month, or nowhere, it is here, blah blah blah. Not a man with my connection with it. If boy any, even in your town, when you're west, my man with Lubo, but it's me with Lubo, no, in a very tree, now may feel between home of a Uwe Giana with visa and no na you both do way if no magia when you see the hell at those kind of stuff. So my family when I will be no engineer magi need there because iman nigo mahaya moe a boy need to idea a webo. So mad by no refund go or my refund you know do ask so you know we do introduce us even before literally a month after my home, when I introduced us to the time with June, I was not take at the 3.5 on the name, but only now we do CSO, the way we are wait period again. But at the end, I do return 3 million on only 500. You go on only go second okay, just for peace to reign. Me I pay on only so me not to pay 200, not to pay no, you get 300 in the mighty name. You understand? So at the end, no return argument away in the Mekweta me away here with 419 say Facebook. Yeah, yo. If Facebook here, we say we put the way Manayario no time I with 419 yeah pay women. But it's a you complain every station, you know, when you go address or get it near your PK, then lawyer will know your PK, then you know again hire someone. So address over here may equal in my mirror. But on or chance or not, you know, we need to see where you be reporting my one night or in any Igor Domosa. So that is how it started.
Okay, madam. Well, I think you should be like the 15th person not contact him away a destiny or here go a visa. Now, if I want to wire kukube, wagbe minana, here wa there boy I do why that or I report there, although you know the big day you want woman, why don't let he might not see it because he
lay complete. Yeah, man, but for me, on that, you go away with you. My video only ye. Oh, I'm just joking.
I am an email reporter. I want few way. Yes, it's Facebook. I want to go and play. You have a deal with me. When not here for one. If I need for one a visa, when not here, you give them money. You won't see them. I'm here. You have never called me one day near response. You have never write me one day near response. I mean, I'm going to get back to you something to embassy. Even I link here, we might think I would work or 2 1 we are also. Even me visa, all the right problem. If visa after they said you were not wait on me your office in this year, my visa. We're not around well, I don't wait for one because we are very bold because most of you I don't know what to say. Most of you are the one giving these penny bad names. Where I'm from one, right? Where or to prove a chat when I'm very happy. Also, I said with version economy quick. When I take the formation of character, idiot no go so we can have batty where fellas will let back by again. People man, you make there politics in Megi. You have to post in here. If any year dig go in here the deformation of character. Here you do. When I different my what think where I'm one work and we are if you know I'm not we yes I'm the phone one. So the phone one and only proof. You will say when I did trust someone say not when you are the only person no me contact over with this arena. That be the number no one. And now they not too a yagi will say you went out around based on when the relationship you have the with me and before 419 years because of the but they were to one part of the first mental years before one no way in the next 1 minute in the aya with me. It could when I land the board. Because you are pushing me to the wall. Monday Magme, I don't want to be writing, I want you to have voice record. That's Nugli and Wayao. But I'll screenshot all the names you call me, and you must prove it. You are talking where you must give my who is talking where they're not giving you your money. But you have to prove the points. No give. Even because of you, I'm an submitted application and they know that I told the person not to go. Because I'm fighting Mr. Fred. We're not going to return this for money. But don't worry, forget about visa. I know what you spent. Have you ever your embassy?
Madam, matter why I say you may take what time a year now. May go anybody in the destiny fear you. Because when you want a good make go now, when you want to arrest, but I am more arrestation. Yeah, don't release it. We have quite people only 1 million. What made the I need people that will stop destiny from scamming people. When you want to wear it now, okay, we form a group. If I'm able to get 10 people, only 10 people, a destiny by Nigeria, and they be airport. And they be airport. A destiny, the way matter like here, who can or can destroy it completely. Even look where you mean yourself. Who work you work in a property, no make you tell no ball, no you get a ball, or you are who one. So if you know you are ready, we can start. Social media, social media. If more say, I social media pa. Whoever social media, whoever to. Ageleje better Abuja police nap tip. Police nap tip to human trafficking. I started that great travel because a music a tour they start with human trafficking a human trafficking So if you are ready, we need to come together and put a stop to this nonsense boy called Destiny Bagua.
You guys should do what you want to do now. But you have this record to go and play on media and wait for my action. Go and play on media. We beg not saying a matter of one. You don't want me voice record the case. When we will live as one business, you can't worry. And I told him away, and you could not bring out the person. Now, so you see, they give you money to do person, you don't crack on. You see, this has always been your work. And people like you, let me tell you, my sister, I've respected you a lot because everybody you brought to me, you brought them with problem. And let me tell you one thing. But I always have time to deal with them.
At this one. Destiny Ebagwa 419. Type on. Destiny Ebagwa 419. Destiny Ebagwa 419. 419. 419. Don't be so 419 until they behave. I beg, don't be so 419 until they behave.
Social media. I use them as an example. Because you keep bringing different people, bringing different talk. Now, before you give you money, on and wait, who I prove the person. Who I prove any I didn't at all. Because I've been doing everything possible to make me not to have a problem with you. You brought a job or 20 years back, and you say, I keep you, you were, and all those CCFFN we go. I told my contact, you don't have any right to tell me where you are not returning all this full money. And he said, give me time, you will return money. You keep writing me rubbish.
When I tell them, say, Destiny cannot fill visa form or application. Destiny cannot write full sentence. She would have said a lie. Now, Destiny is now opening up to these clients. 2 clients where he collect money from. Say not being they do the visa, in get contact. And the contact then are Mr. Fred. When I tell them, say, what did Destiny know to they give people visa?
You keep writing me rubbish. I want you to, when the worry, when media problem, will go there. I will sweep everybody. A business, what to go around it. The business. I've been keeping quiet because I want to use a word for you. But you keep bringing lies. And you carry it again. You worry bedroom. Or like a lugaji. When I move on a light to the mighty prove it. Now, where Oman water can get away, or you will bring is with you now to bring his sister in my way. We know what to do. You guys should do what you want to do now. But you give have this record to go and play on media. I'll wait for my action. Where you did not.
Now, guys, do you know the biggest problem of Destiny now? His biggest problem is that I don't cast a job. I don't cast a job. Now, all the people who give him money since last year, last 2 years, they are now going to him to say, we don't want visa again. Give us our money. That is the problem he is now. I want to use the office of signage where Okpe will give her. Can gather millions of naira, more than 500 million, to take pay people. So in now no please help me they type Destiny Bagua 419 so that I don't can say the reason why they would listen to this woman be say now last 2 years. The year where they come leads. When they talk from London, say, in they do visa, in they do visa, in they do visa, visa what you don't feel do, in they do visa. Now this proof. I wish that this year or late last year, now they give Destiny money, I forswear for them. So the guy is in trouble with Esther. Esther now will fit come tour. Whether in Europe, I guess she get visa. I can travel to any Europe. I can be Ogyo Yestabo. And I ask her, we say no, they do. So Destiny does not know that it just collects money from people, give some to JJ Barry, some to a contact for Lagos. So I come and say the showbiz. Visa they usually do. Now they their money they not be all this. I don't feel legal a musician. Not much of book hall. Not much for musician artist accommodation, flight, everything. Now that human trafficking, the promoters money they. Ah, that's okay now, yeah. Now I withdraw. As you are not lasting. Because life naturally they bring some kind stay in dust. Let it be. Most of the dust where I get now natural. Life just happens. Dust just come. Not be saying that me will come by myself, dust, soak myself. This thing don't soak itself. You can't get out of it. Very soon, be a solid destiny hole. Hey, you be salary and what you
go and levity. I told you where a problem. It's simple. If people, and then my way going on the second, that's one point. Or marry, and I believe we were married, they go on, and your brother has his contact. If it's like this way, you guys don't want to wait anymore. It's as simple as ABC. How about here? We're going to send the passport, I will tell the man how to return money. Of course, that's the deal. We not by problem at all. No, my sister.
Okay, and I for the I can't submit now. We have to interview like na. And I'm submitting now. I put it on the so go the time like I said this January your embassy. My sister, my web and your brother was there who woman go on from the speaker. I thought to America embassy or Kanye embassy. The issue of coming up right now, say where the army where a document servible, a palo Akeviola Daviola embassy. We spoke that day and your brothers was on phone. I made sure that he has a senior prepared and he had the embassy. I just sent you a letter. The same group in your 20 years. Even this guy came before your brother. They are even resubmitted to is even resubmitted today. So you cannot just wake up, make it of one way or maybe now you want to give a demand notice like that. Why will document it? All these are like I'm gonna move you in by a problem. I want to borrow not try to any problem or anything. Because sometimes the way if you do your way, so I just want to reserve my comment. When you have the most quiet person, but when trouble come, I don't know. I'll fight it with my last blood. There's nothing in my life. And even root out by block away. Man understands. So this guy is on the run of doing the process again. Mami if we later ni apply already. It's just to get a date now near summit. We want to worry passport today. Even if you're in low, okay, good. Looking at transfer so I'm going to do or 217 about to come back from it.
A work, girlfriend, even not carry 3.5, only extra 20. I won't try to calm that one down at the end. 500, they can normal pay. He pay 200 in the name of if I could pay. No, we high, we pay 500. On the 3 million, they give the lady now we hear most too, but just for peace to reign because sometimes if you maybe destiny or con de why because on now no way any to now the problem in the because only take a worry about say we here report we need in your go everything go Moga you no need. So okay, you was semen and he carry ya get down. He out as only a more who do as I mean what I will need destiny. A remote turn on the other, but at the end, the whole of the issue was like imagine any day problem. Oh yeah, now I'm now my have a appear on only.
I don't say the year your wife, all those year talk with the talk. Now so you want go media be the wait make a media. Make a cuttle and say I pass all of them. But at the end of the day, not the only one go embassy that day. Now 12 from the other boy they abroad. If they have told me, say they don't reject you, and I'll put you for that package. Or you think say that now you get that embassy. Now you don't be documents to go there. No money they spend, take go there. Because because a person will even bring when I come. Now I make I even talk to you. Or the way you talk to me, I make I talk to you. If I don't know your wife they rant, you think I will answer you. I for not waste me right media. Make I do with the body put it on life for life. You don't go different embassy. It lie to me. Do application, you don't get. At the end of the day, now lie. They ask me to trash. You they mad? Are you stupid? Tell her forward this message to your wife. You are very very stupid because they quiet they look you. They send me this kind of message. You don't wear. My sister, when we were later, we live in Saloma. We have a job in that, and we will 100 visa. That don't ever no more. So we don't go to the and we already torn down. Maybe we are tried away. We away. Have a yourself. So when we have a job in me, a job in me via embassy or Palam visa or what or sell daughter for mommy. So when we return, I didn't put me a quality visa. Every day visa ladia. So I work in area and win our. It made me one personal ladia. The Facebook logo. That's why I make you do visa for me. Not fit one medal. Instead of that, we did money. If I never make him everyone give him a glory every day.
Like I said, this January your embassy.
developer, tell not there when he might continue because of that. Osio Bano Kupon in our okay, not the passport of okay. Meditative guy when you passport in a guy because where the thing your bed be so you manage anything on this year issue, you understand? So you have a concluded now away. Then working men since you have where you're making it, work there, then our problem.